Wow, Jasmy looks absolutely amazing. We're going to dive into the charts in a second. I'm going to tell you guys why I think Jasmy is about to make a massive move higher. But before we do that, I want to let you guys know I am not messing around. You really want to start to understand RSI, stochastic, price movements with cryptos and stocks. There are 2 spots remaining. This is my crypto information tier. This will be shut down very soon. We have a lot of members and I'm going all in on this, especially this summer, because we're gonna take massive profit. If you wanna be a part of this group, you could pay $9.67 per month because you're paying for the whole year, so you get a 12% discount. If you just wanna pay per the month, then it's $10.99. So again, hopefully we see you in there. Only 2 spots remaining. Let's get into Jasmy. This looks absolutely beautiful and I wanna tell you guys why. 2 main things that I haven't really talked about. You know, we always talk about stochastic and the RSI. Again, this is a weekly time frame. I like to think more long-term. We were buying down here at 0.006. Okay, so congrats if you bought and if you've been a part of the team. It's been an absolute amazing journey on Patreon for about 1.5 years now, and it's about to get even better for the rest of this year. But the main thing I want to talk about with you guys today is the Keltner channels. Now you can use this with stocks and you can also use it with crypto. It's a great indicator to tell you when to buy and when to sell. Let's focus on when to hold because that's where we're at right now for Jasmy. We're trading above the middle line on a Keltner channel. You can also see we've closed all the candlesticks on a weekly time frame above this line. That's bullish. That's really good. You know what else is bullish? When the stochastic is at a very low point and the RSI is also curling up, trading at 62 right now. The RSI for Jasmy on a weekly time frame, guys, realistically has gone as high as 90, okay? So right now trading at 62 on an RSI, I wouldn't look to sell until we're at least above 80, right? I wouldn't take profit until I know the RSI is getting overbought on a weekly time frame, not a daily time frame, but a weekly time frame, because this can run for weeks. As you see right here, this was actually about a 2-month run. Okay, overall, about maybe a month and a half to 2 months. So when the RSI on a weekly time frame gets to overbought levels, that's when I will start taking profit. And then I'll buy back in because there's going to be massive pullbacks. Just be my own opinion. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. You guys should definitely do what's best for you. But let me know down below, are you holding Jasmy or are you about to sell? Now guys, let's talk about something else. The next area of strong resistance. And this conversation for a couple minutes is going to be towards my traders, okay? So people that are looking to get in and get out. Well, the next area of resistance for Jasmy is gonna be from 4 cents all the way to 6 cents. I expect this area to be very, very strong resistance. I expect this to bounce around here for a while, possibly have some pullbacks, even pull back. Let's just say really quick, let me just do something on my end. Let's say we do run up all the way to about 6 cents, okay? Let's say 6.3, that's my highest target before we have some serious resistance. Well, we could pull back all the way back down to 2.6 from that point, okay? So don't be surprised if that happens. We could definitely pull back. Let's say we hit 6. I think we could pull back to 4 cents. So you got to be careful. This is why we'll absolutely be taking profit around the 6 cent range. Again, it's really going to have to deal with the RSI, the stochastic, where are we at as a whole. But hey, if you're just looking to hold, then forget what I just said, right? You're not even worried about it. You probably bought down here and you're holding till the moon. It's all good, right? This is really a conversation for people that are trying to get out at a certain time and maybe buy back in and collect more coins overall. I like to do that from time to time. That's really my game plan. I think more long term. I don't need the money right now for crypto, right? I think it's gonna be a great summer, but I also think the rest of this year is gonna be very bullish, right? If you look at what has happened with Bitcoin halving cycles, usually the last 3 cycles, I mean the next 12 months after a Bitcoin halving, you're in the green. You're in the green. Bitcoin's up, altcoins are up. Sometimes, I think one time it actually extended to an 18-month cycle. So the Bitcoin halving happened, let's say it just happened in April. you would go all the way till April 2025. You should be in the green. If history repeats itself, Bitcoin should be a lot higher next year in April. Altcoins should be a lot higher. So this is very short term what I'm talking about right here. Where do you think Jasmy would be in about a year? But then one cycle, it actually went 12 months. So stay with me. It went to April 2025 plus another 6 months, and that was the top. So again, the question is, when are you going to sell? For traders, I think there's going to be a lot of opportunities to get in and out this summer. But if you're just a long-term holder, then it doesn't really matter what happens, right? So guys, drop a like if you got any value. I would love to get this over 250 likes. Truly appreciate that. Subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. We will be the #1 channel when it comes to Jasmy crypto. Have a great day.